I eat the food so you don't have to. Good evening. It's dinner time. This video is from my favorite YouTuber, Jace. Today I'd like to give a shout out to Adam K. He recommended this dish. Well, he's actually the only one who replied to a question I asked, what do you like to eat with fried bologna sandwiches? And he said either fried potatoes or flaming hot Cheetos. And I don't, I eat fried potatoes quite a bit, so I wanted something different. I'm not the biggest flaming hot Cheetos guy. I like my cheese as is. Cheetos are cheese balls. Spectacular. But if I catch the coronavirus, I blame you, Adam. I'm just joking. I went to the store for smokes, and I was like, I'm getting some flaming hot Cheetos too. I'm making a video about it. So if I get lung cancer from smoking, I blame you, Adam K. All right, I'm gonna stop there. Let's get a little cross section on this fried bologna and cheese Sammy. I didn't know whether I should go toasted bread or just keep it regular, but we'll try it this way first. And I guess I'm used to eating my fried bologna on a bun from 5 Star. It's not a bad sandwich, I'll tell you that. Alright, spicy stuff first. These Cheetos are going to give me a Cynthia M fingers. Enough of the fun, let's get to business here. Oh yeah. Excuse me. Haven't had a sody pop in several days, so kind of wanted to indulge. I did do a good deed today at Walmart. I was in line checking out, and I go to this lady's line regularly because she's the one who sells the smokes. But as she was ringing me up, she talks to the dude behind me and says, you can only get one of those cases of water. And then she goes on to tell us how you can only get like one milk of each kind, so 1 2%, 1 1% type deal. Water, I think toilet paper and all that stuff is limited. So I said, hey, put one of his waters on my bill. And so I bought it. He did pay me back, but I was trying to, I was letting him know, like, hey man, it's no big deal. I'm just trying to do some good deeds. I guess trying to have some compassion for strangers in these trying times. But least I could do. Mm. Mm. Oh yeah. I don't know. I'm thinking if someone would have denied me that second water bottle bunch, I would have went home, got like 5 different shirts, 5 different hats or something, and I'd walk in there, buy water, walk out, go into my car, change my shirt, come back in, buy water, and I don't know, man. I'm not for panic buying, but you don't tell me where and where I can't spend my money. All right. And for I understand why they're doing it, but businesses are there to make money, and if they're so greedy about it, they should just be giving the stuff away. Here, you don't have to pay for it, but you only get one. But then I'd come back with 10 shirts and get 10 things of water. I'm gonna eat now. I don't buy water bottles or toilet paper. I have a bidet. I don't do that. Mm. Excuse me. I'm trying to think of the last soda pop I had. It's been a while. Mm. Some nice fresh bread, some sharp cheddar cheese, and some Oscar Mayer Bologna all burnt to a crisp. This is quarantine. I don't want to go back out. Mm. Mm. Ah, yeah. Excuse me. I actually don't remember the last time I had carbonation. I mean, which naturally means I was drinking a soda, but good chips. Mm. Gotta make that mouth sized there. Mm. Mm. Oh, that's a good bite right there. Excuse me. Yeah, a couple more. I hope you stuck with me this long, and I definitely hope you stay till the end. But that was some good dinner. Dinner time is over. Peace.
Hey, Miss Pac-Man. You want a kiss? Too late.